What is up, guys? Okay, so we finally made it back out to Beach Bend Raceway. We're gonna make some nitrous passes today. I know you guys been waiting for some more nitrous content. We got quite the little gathering out here today. We got Speed Addict 731 in the house. He brought his brand new 2020 Lightning Blue. Actually, what I just call it, Lightning Blue. Oh my God, it's Velocity Blue. So this is the color that we originally ordered the GT500 in. We may or may not have made a change. You'll have to wait and see. But again, seeing it in person, I really love this color. So he's got this thing out here today. As you guys know, last time we were over at Xander's house, I did call out Speed Addict in his GT500, but he wimped out and sold it. You know, he didn't want to take an L with the GT500, which is understandable.
I want to give you more of a chance.
Yeah, exactly. So hopefully we'll get to make a pass today. Obviously, if we run Speed Addict, we'll do NA to NA, because Speed Addict's still NA at the moment. He did just get an E85 tune in the car, so got the Mickey Thompson ET Street R's on the back, so we're running the same tire in the rear. Should be a good run. This is a base car. It's a little bit lighter than mine, but I did take out the passenger seat and rear seat, so I'm trying to even things up a little bit.
See, you don't have, you got front runners and I don't. I do, but my lugs won't fit.
Yeah, exactly.
My lugs won't fit.
Hey, but you got to come prepared.
Yeah, well, the stock lugs on a 500 would fit in the weld wheel.
Yeah.
And I figured these would too. Well, that's what I get for figuring, right? They don't.
That color looks so good.
Yeah.
So then Speed Addict also has his wife's car out here. It's all bone stock, right? It just has an X-pipe.
Yeah, all this guy's a resonator delete.
Yep, so this bone stock performance pack car, also a 10-speed car. And then Xander's got out the Jeep today. He's going to make a pass in the Jeep, believe it or not, so see what this bad boy can do. And then also we got Determined Veteran. He drove all the way up from Texas, running his ZL1 today. So we got quite the little gathering. Should be a good day. Alright guys, we got Xander 13 getting ready to lay it down in the old Jeep. Look at this bad boy. Got Determined Veteran about to make his first pass. We got negative 360 BA, so we got some good air here today. Everybody should be putting down some good passes.
What? Negative 366 BA. No, it's not.
Yeah. So this thing's gonna fly. I'm changing my 2250 to a 2240.
I'm going 18.9.
18.9.
I'm giving it some credit,
all right.
Man.
All right, we're both gonna kick it in the bumper right when you take off. All right, guys, here we go. This is it. He's giving him a run for his money. Oh, he's on it. That Jeep's rolling.
18. Let's do my 18.9 comes.
2250. Here it comes. 16.1. Killed it. Killed it.
16.1.
He killed it.
It's got a little up in it.
All right, this should be a little bit quicker here. Determined Veteran here. Not sure exactly what's done to the car. I know it's on E85 and ET Street R's. I think up until this point his best pass was an 11.1 or an 11.2, so definitely looking for that first 10-second pass. The air is good, so we might see it. He's a little out of the mood. 1070 at 128. There it is. 1079, 128. Nice rip.
Tell him his first pass is going to be 10s.
My 11th drag strip pass ever in my life in a car. Granted, 7. We're shooting for...
It's not every day a Chevy goes 10s.
It's not every day that Serpent's team comes out to the videos anyway. Big shout out to Serpent Stang for being the token smartass of today's upload. You're welcome. And if you're not already following Determined Veteran, you probably should think about it because I do actually have an R2. So I am a Ford guy, Chevy guy.
He gets a pass. That's why he's allowed to hang out with us.
Yeah. Honestly, if it wasn't for Mrs. Determined Veteran, we wouldn't have a damn thing on the channel. Big shout out to her. You're welcome. Yeah. Woo.
All right, guys, so we are all ready to go. We're gonna make our first nitrous attempt of the day. Gonna go with the 150 shot. Maybe later on we'll try a 100 shot. Got the window switch set up, activate at 3000, shut off at 7500. Tire pressure's checked, so we're gonna go out and hopefully all goes well on this first pass. It's a completely new tune because we got the JLT on there, so hopefully Rob's got it all dialed in for me. Let's see what happens. All right, guys, here we go. See what this puppy can do with some good air. Hopefully the nitrous works for the entire pass. Really like to see a mid 10-second time slip. All right, guys. In top gear, it just does. As soon as it gets into 5th or 6th gear, it's got a little hiccup every time. It's really quite frustrating, actually. I mean, it felt like I was on a good pass and just started to break up the slightest bit. I was even just about ready to let out of it if it got any worse, but it kind of seemed to kick back in. Thank you. 1077 at 127. Boy, I'll tell you, this thing, if I could get this damn 10 speed to like the nitrous, we might have something here. 10.7 at 127. I'll tell you what, me and Determined Veteran, we gotta do a run. I believe he did a 1078 or 1079, so we are right there with each other. I think we also both did 127. 171 to the 60, so there's a little more room there. I've had it in the 1.6 range before. I mean, I'm not totally disappointed in that. It's just unfortunate, you know, when 10.7 with a little bit of a hiccup, I'm sure that easily could have been a 10.5, 10.6 pass, probably at around 130 mile an hour, but I'm happy with that. That is our best pass to date. I'll take it.
And all he got was a go bar, and then he retired.
So we gonna do this today? I'm putting you on the spot.
Oh yeah,
You gonna do it?
yeah, we'll do it.
150 shot versus ZL1 on E85. What else is done to the car?
Bolt-ons. So just bolt-ons.
Just bolt-ons.
Yeah, just bolt-ons.
Don't forget the tank full of
Oh, there's American paratroopers just spitting out this damn thing in the back, just saying it's airborne. No,
Is it
but-
pulleyed?
No, it's not
No
pulleyed.
pulley?
No, so I'm not even shit. I
believe you. I believe
You're my
you.
favorite turd. So all I've got is bolt-ons and E85, and I'm gonna dump another gallon of E85 in it.
What are bolt-ons?
So headers.
Okay. Those bolt-on.
Yeah, I haven't. So when I get back home, I've got this ordered and the pulleys ordered.
Yeah, once you put a pulley on this thing, it's gonna be nasty.
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 It'll be nasty.
All right, guys, so we're gonna get this. We're gonna make this happen. We both ran a 1070. I think he did a 1078. I did a 1077. So I mean, we should have one hell of a run if we can leave, you know, pretty much simultaneously. So we'll see what happens.
Here's the thing I'll tell your audience. Steve's car is fast. Like, it surprised me. I knew we'd be pretty close, but I didn't know that close. So I think it's going to boil down to the cars are about the same. It's the driver and weight.
In all honesty, it's going to boil down to whether my nitrous works for the entire pass or not, because it's
Is it hit or miss?
yeah. It likes to fall on its face on the big end. But
Well, the thing is,
I'm setting my excuses up now.
No, well, I'll tell you, I'm probably 400 pounds heavier than you. I mean, hell, I'm 100 pounds probably heavier than you right now. I'm just standing here with my big old beer
And I got the seats out of mine, so
Yeah, yours is gutted.
Yeah.
So, if whatever it is, it's going to be a good run,
that's all we want.
and that's all we want, guys. We're just
Right.
here to entertain you.
It's all for fun.
Yeah, I traveled 15 hours to race Serpent Stangs, so
Let's do it.
let's do it.
All right, guys, here we go. Racing Determined Veteran here in the 650 wheel horse ZL1. Also a 10-speed car. We shall see what happens. Hopefully my bottle didn't cool down too much. I've been sitting here for like 15-20 minutes. Breaking up big on the big end though. She came, that's the first time it's ever spun coming out of the hole, and I blame myself for that. It was a shitty burnout. What happened was the line lock got canceled on me because I still had my foot on the brake like a moron. So did a crap burnout, and that resulted in a little bit of a spin. Thank you. 1075 at 128 to a 1076 at 128. What a freaking run, guys. It doesn't get much better than that. Killed it on the light. 006. I can't complain, guys. 1075. I mean, honestly, guys, for what we have in this car, it's literally JLT intake, tuned from Palm Beach Dyno, and the nitrous kit. I have about $1,100 in the nitrous kit, so all said and done in this car, I have about $2,500 with tune, nitrous. You know, of course, you got to add wheels and tires to that, but just on power mods, you know, we've got about $2 grand in this thing, and we're going 10. So
10.76, he ran a
good
10.
pass, bro. Good pass. That was awesome. That was awesome. I seen you coming.
So Steve ran a 10.75. I ran a 10.76.
10.75 to 10.76, guys. It does not get any better than that.
No. And the thing about it is, with that time, like, it just boiled down to our reaction time, really.
Yeah. I got out on you a little bit.
And you're about what, 400 pounds lighter than me?
Probably. I know. Yeah, the ZL1's a good couple hundred pounds.
Yeah, because a stock is like 3,800 plus 285.
Oh, these are about 3,800 as well.
Okay, so but
taking some weight out of it, so it's probably 3,700.
200 pounds.
Yeah.
That's a damn good race, guys.
Yeah.
That, like, 150 shot of nitrous, E85 tune, and bolt-ons. Well, really just headers. But there ain't, I mean, we can talk all the shit in the world, but that's a freaking run.
That might have been one of the best runs I've ever had, man.
That might have been one of the best runs I ever had too, homie.
That was awesome, dude. Hell yeah.
That's gonna be, that car's nasty, dude. That car, Mustang for the win.
All right, guys, so that is gonna do it for this season. I'm pretty sure this is actually the last event here for the year, but we will be back at it first thing in spring. And as always during winter, we'll be working on the cars. We got the GT500 coming soon, so make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel, like and subscribe. I will see you next time.